How are traumatic events stored in the brain? Normally, when a new memory is formed, your hippocampus organizes events into a timeline, and your prefrontal cortex interprets them. The memory gets stored as a linear past event, with a beginning, middle, and end. But when you experience trauma, your brain doesn't have time to process and sequence everything like it usually would. Instead, your amygdala, your brain's alarm system, takes over, and you go into survival mode. Because the brain's normal processing is interrupted, the experience gets stored as fragmented, sensory-based data, like a sound, a facial expression, a smell, a specific tone or posture, or a bodily sensation. Why does this matter? Since the memory hasn't been stored and remembered as something that happened in the past, your body doesn't realize the event is over. So when something similar shows up later, your brain may interpret it as a continuation of the original trauma, throwing you right back into a fight or flight state. This trauma response mechanism leads to emotional and physical flashbacks, as well as an overall heightened state of alertness. As you re-enter survival mode, get flooded with cortisol, and relive those stored sensory fragments in real time, your logical thinking takes a back seat. To interrupt this loop and reduce flashbacks, your brain needs help properly filing the traumatic memories. As the experience reintegrates across different parts of the brain into a coherent, chronological, and fully processed memory, with the associated sensations contextualized, your prefrontal cortex becomes able to reflect, regulate, and inhibit the amygdala. This allows you to tell the difference between real danger and a memory of danger.